Hey, what's up everyone? I'm going to show you real quick how I walk into the woods and set up in my saddle one trip up. So just quick disclosure, I'm not telling you how to climb, any advice. Refer to your owner's manual on your equipment and follow their guidelines how to use that stuff. This is just what I do at my own risk right now. Enjoy. All right, audio might get a little rough and I hope I stay in frame. So I put my saddle on the bag too. I quit wearing it in for the most part, so take a little bit longer. So I take my bow, set it down. Sometimes it's easier, sometimes it's more clunky. That one's a little clunky. That's kind of what I do. Sometimes I only use like one stick, depends on the tree. Most of my successful hunts, I've been about 6 to 8 foot in just these little crazy trees. I don't like climbing any higher if I don't have to. Thanks for watching.